fat bear comes in a fat, hey, speaking of fat, can you move your little, get a styrofoam table. It's kind of smart not attaching the computer so it doesn't get damaged in shipping. The Yamee e-bike comes with 95% assembled. So the first thing I gotta do is frame unfolding. Let me flip this around so you can actually see what the heck I'm doing. Okay, it's going to be a lot easier to get everything up there. If I put these in here now. Get in there! Oh, maybe if I undo that. Whoa! Alright, and then... yeah. And there's only one way that they go into this tube, so it looks like I don't have to fiddle around and try to line them. Then unfold the pedals. You can remove the battery to charge it or just leave it in there. I'm gonna leave it in there because otherwise I gotta unfold this thing again. There are no instructions on how to attach this, but on the back here, it said, somewhere over here, it said USB. So I attached this, which is the USB, to that part, and it fit. So now I'm going to try to attach this to the handlebars. And hopefully I put this in the right direction. I think I'm gonna need some parts from here. These doodads. I'm gonna put one here. I'm gonna put one here. And I hope this is the correct way. I'm gonna put that over this. Grab a couple screws and shove those in there. And then this little guy, I think it goes here. I don't really know where it goes. I'm gonna put it right there. And there's also a little screw for that. Oh yeah, but one thing I didn't do is attach this to here. I mean, how else is power gonna get to this? Probably should have done this first, but I didn't. Because the instructions didn't tell me to. So really the last thing I gotta do besides charging the bike and putting putting airs, not just air, some multiple airs into the tires. Yeah, just gotta position the seat at this point. And that's it. Might wanna tighten this down though, so the seat doesn't drop. To turn the bike on, hold down this button. And now, once the screen is up, you can use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the pedal assist. So there's 5 different modes, well technically 6, but 0, it's just like a regular bike. If you touch this button here, it gives you various information on the screen. And this one, it's the light. So just hold it down to turn it on and off. And what I really like, there's a tail light. Because in my state, to ride a bike at night, you gotta have one of these. So this bike has 8 gears. Usually the ones I show on my channel have 7. This one's got 8. Fancy. So this lever, it lowers the gears and the smaller one ups them. But you probably should be doing this while you're actually pedaling. And then over on this side, actually let me put this on one. Hopefully I can hold on to the bike. This is the throttle. Fill up the tires to 30 psi, either with a manual pump or one of these, because it's a lot better, it's quicker, I love it. Here I'm going to demonstrate that you can put this into just a regular size trunk. I have a 2009 Hyundai Sonata that I've had forever. I don't want to replace it because it still runs, so why? I did end up taking the battery out of the bike because it makes it a lot lighter. So I'm going to put it back together because I'm not gonna drive it anywhere. I have a pretty decent bike trail nearby. Here it is. The range on this is 60 to 80 miles, but it really depends how you use the bike. It has a 750 watt geared hub motor, double air suspension, and it can hold up to 300 pounds. So here I'm showing I have it set on gear 8, which is the hardest to pedal in, and this is without any pedal assist. Look how slowly I'm going. So I'm going to leave it in gear 8, put it on pedal assist 1, and look how much faster the bike takes off. And it's not just easier on flat ground. It's a lot easier up a hill as well. You don't really feel it. And this is, I have it on pedal assist 5 because normally I put it on 1 and then go up this hill. But I got it past 17 miles an hour pretty quickly on pedal assist 5. So here I am without pedal assist and it's kind of bouncing around because I'm standing on the bike trying to go up the hill. I got tired really quick, put it on pedal assist 1, and zoomed up the hill pretty quickly. And down I went pretty quickly as well. The brakes on this are very good. A little bit better, I would say, than most e-bikes I use. So here I'm going to show it with just the throttle. I love using that when I'm crossing a street because then I can cross it a lot faster and I feel it's safer that way than just pedaling across. I just want to get off of it as fast as possible. Even though here I am pretty much on the street, but in the bike lane. On the website, it says the maximum speed is 25 kilometers per hour. So that's what, like 15 miles per hour? I got it past 30. I think I stopped myself around 31.8. So that's it. If you're interested in the bike and you want to know more, there'll be a link down below in the video's description. Cheesy outro time. Doodle-oodle-lee-loo. Bye.